I'm gonna do a quick roof repair. Oh Lord, bees. Single wide trailer. The metal roof. Something fell through it, busted a hole. I'm gonna replace it with a new piece. Take all the screws out. Remove this piece. Put the new one on. Let's see. There's the end of it. Oh, here's the end. I can leave this screw. Remove all the screws. There's the new piece. Screw it. I'll just laid it right over the other one. And we'll go straight down the line. Rescrew it. Be done. Just gonna do like they did. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4 crossed. And they're putting them like here. 2, 3, 4. I can't do this one hand. I don't have my tripod, but I'll show you what's going on in a minute. We'll use this broom kind of as a straight edge. So there's a screw there, screw there. So I know there's a board under there. So I'm just gonna go right under it. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and I'll work my way down. Yep, there it is. Yep, it's copperhead. New piece of metal. Everything's screwed down. There we go. Like brand new.